If the pandemic shutdown of 2020 has taught you one thing, it is that the traditional 9-to-5 isn't as stable as it used to be. Today I am going to go over the best 5 ways to make money from home with no startup. My name is Josh, and I make videos on ways that you can save, make money, and all things that's related to your finances. So be sure that you subscribe and click the bell, and that way you don't miss anything. I do want to be respectful of your time by not wasting your time, so let's get right to the video. There are 2 types of people in this world. You have the type who will spend most of their time sleeping, watching Netflix, and being on the phone all day, while the other will use their time wisely to learn, make money, and make things happen. So whether you want to launch a side gig, generate a regular part-time income, a full-time income, or you're just looking to make some extra cash, these are some websites that can help you out. Number 5. This particular method is by far my favorite, and it is very popular, and it has made a lot of people famous, and is what you're watching me on right now. Yes, I am talking about YouTube. On YouTube, you get paid by the number of views that a video receives, and it can bring in quite a bit of money as well if you grow your channel and get a lot of views consistently. You don't even have to be on camera or be behind the camera talking all day to start a YouTube channel. I do feel that it's best to be on the camera in certain niches to help build your personal brand, and also it helps you to connect with your audience. However, it's not the only way. For example, you have a lot of people on YouTube, they go out and they find different videos, memes, and challenges, and they create compilations, and they combine those videos together, and they upload them to YouTube. And with those videos, they can get a lot of views. And to give you an idea what people can make on YouTube, it all depends on the CPM, which the CPM is the calculation of how much money that you can receive per 1,000 views. The average CPM on YouTube in the United States is $7. So just say if you create a video or you have a YouTube channel and you receive 5,000 views a day, which it has a CPM of the average of $7, you will make $1,050 a month, or that would equate to $12,600 for the entire year. And you can do that from the comfort of your own home. Number 4, freelance services. If you have a skill, a trade, or even a talent, you can consider being a freelancer. Sites like Fiverr makes it easy to connect clients and freelancers. I have used Fiverr for this channel and also my blog, and I can say that it is very convenient. So this is how it works. Buyers will pay Fiverr for orders in advance. The sellers or the freelancers get to keep up to 80% of each gig or sale that they complete successfully and deliver. By being a freelancer, you get to run your own business, choose your own clients, and the projects that you feel like working. You have the freedom and the flexibility to control when, where, and how you work. Number 3, you can consider teaching English online with VIP Kid. VIP Kid is an online teaching program based in Beijing, China. Teachers accepted to work with VIP Kid teach English to students who are based in China, which their ages range between 4 and 12. All classes are held on a 1-by-1 basis that's conducted online through the VIP Kid portal, that's their Skype and FaceTime. If you have a bachelor's degree, you are eligible to teach from the comfort of your own home with VIP Kid. VIP Kid will provide you with the curriculum, there's no lesson planning involved, and you can earn up to $22 per hour. There is no requirement that you have to speak Chinese. There are several steps to the VIP Kid application. First, you will fill out an online application, which you can find in the link below. After that, you will join them for a 30-minute session to showcase your teaching skills to a VIP Kid recruiter. I went through this process a few years ago, and I promise you it was easy and very straightforward. So number 2, you can always consider signing up for a company's affiliate marketing program. Affiliate marketing is a process which you as the affiliate will earn a commission for marketing for another person or a company. So if you sign up for the company's affiliate marketing program, then you sell a product. Normally it's using a special link that you can download from them. You will earn a percentage of that sale. So for example, if you sell a product that's, just say sell for $100 and you have an affiliate commission of 7%, you will receive $7 from that $100. You can make a lot of money by doing this if you advertise correctly. Number 1, you can sell your photos. You can sell your photos to photo agencies such as Shutterfly, iStock, Adobe, and other similar companies. It really doesn't matter if you're a professional or not. You can still have the opportunity to make some money. Every time a customer purchases one of your images, you will earn a commission on that photo. And with most companies, they will pay you through PayPal. Now, there's a lot of opportunity out there that you can make money online. Be careful of anybody that's asking for an upfront fee. They want you to pay for a certification or request your social security number or any financial information such as your credit card number. And for more ways that you can make money and all things that's related to your finances, check out more videos here on your screen, and I will see you in the next video.